Hello guys, in this video, I would like to talk about JavaScript function apply, call, and bind methods. These methods are default methods in for JavaScript. What is call, what is apply, what is the bind? So call is with a call method. You can write a method that can be used on different objects. Apply is a method. Both are same guys. You can write a method that can be used on different objects. The difference between call and apply, the difference is call method takes an argument separately. You are able to see my screen guys. So here say the person dot full name dot call the person one. So here I'm taking an argument separately. Apply method takes an arguments as an array. So person dot full name dot apply the person one. So here I'm taking an array. That's the one. So JavaScript function bind, function is borrowing. That means the bind method, an object can borrow a method from another object. And here you're able to say let full name equal to person dot full name dot bind. So okay, we'll go and have a look in Visual Studio Code what I'm talking about. What is the call and what is apply and what is the bind. Have a guys about this. Let me write about this. So already I created a file, JavaScript file, and then I'm going to write about this call first. Call method. Okay, the call method arguments takes an argument separately, right? So what I'm talking about here, if I'm looking test one equal to here the full name, taking full name is the function system. In this function, I want to take it city, country. Okay, city and country. Then here I would like to return. So in this return, this dot first name or f name, okay, plus space this dot name space. Here I would like to give comma city country. So I'm written this particular test one, and here I would like to call in another test constant test equal to. There I want to declare the f name and f name code name. Okay, in this L name I would like to call easygo. So here what I want to do is calling in called log one. So test one dot, okay, one dot full name dot call. Okay, this call, okay, in this call method. So it's as I told you guys, call method is a takes an argument separately. So how is going to take the test two dot test two comma, okay, the country name, city name is country is US. So now we'll see how it's going with this. Let me go to open the terminal for this. Okay, opened. Here I want to run this JSF code. Yes. So see guys, code is equal. The name is coming first name and last name, as well as you are able to Sydney and US. Okay, the city and country. So you can able to see this one. So here this is the call method. So next is going to apply method. Apply method, as I told, apply method takes arguments on as an array. The apply method is very handy if you want to use an array instead of argument list. So what does it mean? Let me do it in apply method. So it's taking arguments and array, guys. So the same thing, I would like to copy the same until constant one here and here. Same thing, but then I would like to change these names. Here test 3 or test 4. So here in test 3, so the same full name and the last name and city and everything is same, and the name is code easy go is the same. So here the only difference I would like to show you guys in here, we copy this same console.log easy console.log in here. I like to take fine, should not take it in I, as I told, it takes an arguments an array. So here the array is, take it in this. Okay, here I'm putting an array. So that's all guys. That's the difference, remaining as is. Now I want to take it in test 4 over here rather than take it here. See guys, you're able to see. So this one is the call. So let me comment out the call method, and 10 is apply, is test 3 is the same. Whatever I'm taking here, the same thing I took it over here. So here I take it and the console.log, and here d dot full name, right? Now I'm going to run this and again terminal. Let me rerun this one. See guys, clear it and rerun this. Here see, code easy go Sydney. That is the apply method. Okay, so all in both of them. So let me talk about in another method is bind method. What is that bind method? The bind method is borrowing, can all the time is a bind method is an object can borrow a method from the another object. What does it mean of that? So let me, I comment out that of code. Let me borrow bind method equal to borrow. So here what is going to be the test one. Just I would like to take in name, code, name, go, okay, full name function, written this dot f name plus this dot, okay, okay, one, and another one I would like to take in constant equal to f name your name dev after dev. Now here I would like to call in bind method. Bind method is going to borrow the so this one is going to borrow. So how is going to borrow the method? Let me say another object. How is going to, this is the another object guys. This is the new object. Constant is the test2. Already I have in another object test1. Test1 I already declared f name and f name already. This one, if you're running this test1, is going to give the first name and last name. And test2 is another bind, another object. The another object is going to borrow by bind method. So how is going to work out? So let full name equal to, in this full name, so what I have to do now, one dot full name. This full name we have the bind method. This bind method I would like to change this code is equal to eager software dev. But one what I'm going, so here test2, okay, this test2, then I would like to log this value this one. I'm logging here. This one as it. Just I will rerun this one. See guys, then right guys on what. Let me have a look, guys. What happened over here? What is this bound full name, right? Okay. Give me a minute, guys. I'm just looking under that. So bind method. So in this bind method, so we have done this. Oh, sorry. Here, okay. First name, F name, L name is correct. F name, L name. It in test two, the member, and then the full name. Okay, I'm sorry, guys. This is the one I did a small mistake, but I did it. Clear that. This one is the file. So now I want to rerun this. See guys, you get software dev coming, right? So that's the only difference. So here I hope you understand about the apply and call. Call is the you can call the arguments in separately. Apply, you can call the arguments in the array, and bind is the borrow the another one object to another object, and that is the bind method in JavaScript. These three are by default methods for JavaScript, guys. That's all for this video. We'll talk about in another video. I hope you learned something else in this video. Thank you for watching. We will catch up in another video. Bye guys.